Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious homestyle recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today we're going to be making something super delicious. We are going to be making a chocolate mug cake. This is devilishly good, and the reason I'm making it is because I want chocolate cake. I don't want to make a whole one, and I want it now. So let's get to it. Now, I'm a pretty big fan of mug cakes. I've had a couple of other ones up on my channel already. You may have seen I've got a sticky date mug cake and I have a vanilla mug cake as well. This one is chocolate. For the chocolate lovers, I haven't done a chocolate one yet, so this one is for you. And it's super delicious. We can make it really, really quickly, and it's ready literally in minutes, which is the best part. And another good thing, there's no cleaning up because you're gonna eat it all in the one serve. So let me show you what you are gonna need. So I have here some dark chocolate chips, and then in this bowl there is some all-purpose flour, some sugar, cocoa, and baking powder. Here is some full cream milk, some melted butter, and a dash of vanilla. Just a tiny, tiny little bit. All right, you're gonna need a mug. An M-U-G, that's right, mug. So go find yourself a mug, a decent sized one. I hope it's gonna fit in here. I'm gonna eyeball it later. May have to get a bigger one. We'll see how you go. Hopefully it fits in this one. You're gonna need a spoon to eat your mug cake. And as always, find yourself a mini whisk or a whisk, doesn't matter. Just a whisk is fine, or even a fork. I nearly forgot, but you'll also need a spatula or a wooden spoon. Okay, so with the ingredients here that are already in the bowl, my dry ingredients, I'm literally just going to whisk it up in the bowl and evenly disperse these ingredients. All right, I'm just gonna make a tiny bit of a well in the center here. And then I'm going to add all of the wet ingredients at once. We have here the milk, can go in, butter, that looked cool, and the vanilla. Now with your spatula or your spoon, we can combine the two, the dry and the wet together. So I'm just going to fold it in, give it a stir, and our beautiful mix here will start to come together. Not your usual mixing bowl that I've got here, but I like it. So it looks pretty chocolatey, pretty delicious already. So get all of that cocoa mix in. Nice. So I've just mixed it until it's all come together. And at this point, we're gonna mix it just a tiny, tiny little bit more with our chocolate chips. So go ahead and literally throw them in, just like that. And we're just gonna fold them into the mix here. Okay, so it's ready to go into our mug here. So we're just literally going to spoon it in. Might be ambitious, but I'm gonna give it a go. That'll do. Stick it in, squish it down, get all of this chocolate. Oh yeah. Ready? That's what it looks like. Smells like chocolate, so we know it's gonna be good. Looks good, and if you wanna know, if you want like a little indication as to what it's gonna taste like, you can lick the bowl. Yum, I love batter. Okay, before this goes in, I'm just going to try and smooth it out just a smidge. So it's gonna cook a little bit more evenly. So I'm literally just trying to flatten out that mix as best I can. And I also want one of the chocolate chips in the center because these are gonna like kind of like burst with chocolate. It's gonna be like a little chocolate lava bomb. All right, my little chocolate mug cake lovers, this is going into the microwave now for about 1 to 2 minutes. We're gonna check on it after 1 minute and see how it's going. If it needs longer, we'll add longer. So yeah, 1 to 2 minutes depending on your microwave. Check it after 1. Woo! Yum! Look at this little hot chocolate cake. Looks so good. It's firmed up. So mine was in the microwave for 1:20 minutes, and I left it so that there's a little bit of shininess from the chocolate chips. I don't want to overcook it. Looks pretty good to me. I kind of want it like that in between where you get a little bit of melted chocolate and then the cake as well. So you can, if you want yours more cooked, just keep cooking in the microwave. If you want it less cooked, then probably 1 minute's good for you. So let's see how it goes. All right, folks, I'm going in. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh. Chocolate lava cake. It smells so good. Whoa. That is some chocolate deliciousness right here. Let me show you what I'm dealing with. Check it out, guys. We've got this beautiful, fluffy, soft cake, chocolate cake. Tastes so delicious. And then all throughout it are those chocolate chips, which are nicely melted and super gooey. It's just like the ultimate quick and easy chocolate lava cake in a mug, seriously ready in 3 minutes. And I've just noticed that the little chocolate chip here, the melted chocolate chip, is in the shape of a love heart. So that is just for you guys. Oh. I feel like I got chocolate all over my lips. But holy moly, this is a damn good cake. Something that we made literally so fast. All right. I'm gonna keep eating my chocolate mug cake. I really hope that you love this recipe. If you make it, I wanna hear from you. I know you're gonna love it. And let me know what one you made. If you made the chocolate, if you made sticky date, or if you made vanilla, what is your flavor of choice? These mug cakes are a serious hack. You shouldn't be able to eat something this delicious and whip it up so quick. It's just, I don't know how, it's not right, but I'll take it. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today and for watching. And if you do like this video, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well because I have a new video coming out every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.